Mamelodi Sundowns are hosting St. Elua Lupopo of the Democratic Republic of Congo in the CAF Champions League match day 1 in the group stages. It's a very spicy match because you guys would know the drama and the controversy that has followed St. Elua Lupopo and the fact that CAF, for some reason, decided to turn a blind eye on St. Elua Lupopo's antics and even found the St. Elua Lupopo's coach guilty. But they've decided not to disqualify St. Elua Lupopo from the CAF Champions League. This after they had eliminated Orlando Pirates. That's St. Elua Lupopo. So it's a highly anticipated match because Lupopo are making already in South Africa, meaning they'll be playing in South Africa just a few weeks. When last month they visited Orlando Pirates at Orlando Stadium. So the match between Mamelodi Sundowns and FC St. Elua Lupopo is the opening fixture for both clubs in the highly anticipated CAF Champions League group stages for the season 2025-2026 season. This match has an added layer of spice as Lupopo eliminated Mamelodi Sundowns' biggest domestic rival, Orlando Pirates, in the final preliminary round, making the Congolese side very familiar to South African fans. So the details of the fixture, as I already said, is Mamelodi Sundowns from the Republic of South Africa vis-a-vis FC St. Elua Lupopo from the Democratic Republic of Congo. The competition is the CAF Champions League group stage, match day 1, Group C. These teams find themselves in Group C. The date is Saturday, November the 22nd, 2025. The kickoff time it is 3 p.m. South African Standard Time. Venue it is Loftus Versfeld Stadium, Pretoria, in South Africa. The context setting the tone. Mamelodi Sundowns, the South African champions, enter the group stage as one of the tournament favorites, having been runners-up last season when they were lost to eventual winners, the Pyramids of Egypt. Right? So the South African champions enter the group stage as one of the tournament favorites, having been runners-up last season. Their campaign hinges on setting a strong tone at home, where they are virtually unbeatable. They aim to avoid the kind of slip-up that befell their rivals, Orlando Pirates. FC St. Elua Lupopo, the DRC side, is making their debut in the CAF Champions League group stage after stunning Orlando Pirates in the qualifiers, winning on penalties. They are the clear underdogs in Group C, which also includes MC Alger, which is now coached by former Orlando Pirates and former Mamelodi Sundowns head coach, Coach Rulano Mokoena, and Al Hilal Omdurman, but arrived with immense confidence and nothing to lose. The head-to-head in history. Direct head-to-head, this match marks the first ever competitive meeting between Mamelodi Sundowns and FC St. Elua Lupopo in any CAF competition, meaning they have never met at any stage of the CAF competition. The historical context, South African soil. Lupopo has a poor record on South African soil in CAF club competition, having lost all 5 of their previous matches against local teams, that being SuperSport United, Black Leopards, Marumo Gallants, and Sekhukhune United. However, they did win the pre-season Vodacom Challenge in 2002 against Pirates and Chiefs. Remember when we were introduced to that striker Kabamba Musasa, who went on to sign for Kaizer Chiefs. Anyway, I don't know how many of you guys missed the Vodacom Challenge. Do you think they should be brought back? I don't know. Go to the comment section, guys, and give me your views on that matter. So, Sundowns versus DRC teams. Mamelodi Sundowns have an impressive record against opposition from the Democratic Republic of Congo, particularly at home, where they have maintained a long unbeaten streak. Key factors and talking points. The home fortress for Mamelodi Sundowns. Loftus Versfeld. Sundowns have been unbeaten at home in the Champions League for the past 2 seasons, a run that reinforces their heavy favorite tag. Then for St. Elua Lupopo, their biggest challenge will be adapting to the atmosphere and quality of the pitch. We saw how they struggled against Orlando Pirates, where Orlando Pirates defeated them by 3-0 at Orlando Stadium. Because let's be honest, Central Lupopo are not a football team. They are just a bunch of clowns who play dirty and all of that. So in a proper field of play, where match officials are up to their game, Lupopo are no match to Mamelodi Sundowns. So their biggest challenge will be adapting to the atmosphere and quality of the pitch where they previously struggled against other PSL clubs. That's a fact. The tactical approach. The Mamelodi Sundowns coach, Miguel Cardoso's side, is known for its position, dominance, high press and fluid attacking profile. They will be expected to control the tempo from the first whistle. As for Lupopo, their tactical approach, they will adopt the same discipline, deep defensive block, and quick transition counter-attack strategy that proved effective against Orlando Pirates, although they went on to lose by 3-0. The motivation for Mamelodi Sundowns Continental Agency, having fallen short in last season's final, reclaiming the trophy is the club's top priority. They want to set the pace immediately in Group C. For Lupopo, their motivation underdog role. They have already caused the biggest upset of the qualifying rounds and will be determined to shock the continent again, particularly against Orlando Pirates' biggest rivals. So the players to watch on the Mamelodi Sundowns side, Peter Shalulile and Teboho Mokoena. Shalule's predatory instinct will be key to breaking down Lupopo's defense, while Teboho Mokwena's control and distribution are vital for dictating the midfield battle and also the tempo of the match. So the player to watch on the side of Lupopo, of course, Mukoko has been suspended. That clown called Mukoko is suspended. So it's Zivus Mukawa Kisanga, right, will lead the back line, while goalkeeper Kasanga will need a world-class performance. So in terms of the predictions, while Lupopo's elimination for Orlando Pirates serves as a major warning, Mamelodi Sundowns' consistency, deep squad, and incredible home record make them a different proposition entirely. Sundowns are tactically astute and will have done their homework on Lupopo's defensive structure. The Brazilians are expected to be patient but ultimately clinical. So my predictions for this match, I'm predicting a 2-0 win for Mamelodi Sundowns, guys. Go to the comment section, guys, and give me your own predictions. Who you do predict will emerge victorious in this match? Thank you for tuning in. My name is Teboho Skhosana. The name of the platform is Mzansi Total Football. Thank you very much.